If you are just getting started with growing your YouTube channel, you're starting with 0 views, 0 subscribers, or at least a very small channel, and you're ready to jumpstart this thing, get some growth going with more views and more subscribers. So today, I want to share with you exactly what I would do if I were to start a YouTube channel today and wanted to get massive momentum fast. That's coming up. Hey everyone, welcome to Video Creators. My name is Tim Schmoyer, and here we are all about helping you grow your YouTube channel, get more views, more subscribers, make money, so that ultimately you can reach more people and change their lives with the message that you're spreading. And I remember back when I first uploaded my very first video to YouTube, it was March 2nd, 2006. This platform was very different. That was over 10 years ago, and back then there was no money, there was no competition. Fast forward to today, and it is a very different ball game, one that I've been tracking and been on top of for the past 14, 15, whatever, 16 years has been since then. So if I were starting a YouTube channel today, there's a few things that you guys as creators, I typically see when you're getting started that you focus on that's just kind of not necessary. And the first one being is focusing on all the gear and camera equipment and all the tools that you need. Growing on YouTube isn't about the fancy equipment that you have. It's about how well you connect with an audience and make them feel something. So don't let all the tech and the fancy gear and everything hold you back from making videos. Use whatever camera you have and just get started. Number two, it's essential that you figure out what value you want to provide to someone in your target audience. So this first time viewer who you're trying to quickly attract and gain momentum with, they don't click on your video because they care about you, at least not yet. They click on your video because the title and the thumbnail tease some sort of value that you want to consume. So if you want to get momentum with non-subscribed viewers, you had to very quickly get that first time viewer to be like, oh, I get it. I know what this channel is about and I know what value I'm going to get here and I want to keep watching. Hopefully you've already picked up on how I've already done that here in this video. Number three, as you're going through this process of clearly communicating the value that you propose to deliver to someone in your target audience, you thereby end up choosing a niche. And when you start picking like what niche, it kind of starts eliminating what things you are going to talk about and things you're not going to talk about. For example, it'd be kind of weird on this channel if I made a gardening video for you and showed you how I was doing something in my garden, or if I made like a random gaming video or something like that. That is not aligned with the value of why you're here. And so having that niche and defining that value gives you focus and helps make your new audience know exactly what they can expect from you, and that helps them want to come back and consume more of that. You can do a lot of different styles of videos as long as the through line that ties all of those styles together comes back to the value that you propose to deliver to someone in your target audience so that they're not confused. Like, Tim, why are you giving me a gardening video? Number four, do some recon research on your competition, but look at their channel, see what's working well for them. Maybe go to the channel, look at the top performing videos, look at the most popular videos, see what do they do really well, what is the audience really responding to, and use that as some fodder to create ideas. Don't just copy people, that doesn't really help you, but using it as inspiration in terms of what content you can make next could be really good. Number five, this is a common mistake I see new creators making, and that is you take too long to get to the point in the beginning of your video. See, your title and your thumbnail set an expectation for the viewer that causes them to click. And if that expectation isn't met within the first few seconds, it's likely that you're going to lose that first time viewer because they're like, I don't really know where this is going, what's happening here, and then they're just out. Remember, this first time viewer didn't click because of you, they clicked because of the title and thumbnail and value that was pitched to them. So whatever is in your title and thumbnail, that thing can't come 8 minutes later in the content. It has to be pitched right up front, and then you either go back and fill in the backstory, or you just tease it up the ante in the opening seconds and really capture their attention and then dive in. Just make them feel like you're in the right place, you're gonna get what you clicked for. Number six, if I were to go back and start a new YouTube channel again, I would definitely work harder at planning my content from the very beginning. This isn't television where the show kind of needs to do this like intro and then ramp up to something. It's actually your title and thumbnail did all the heavy lifting in terms of enticing the viewer viewer, they clicked, they're there. Now you need to keep the video continuing from where that title and thumbnail left off. And that comes number 7, which is spend more time on your titles and thumbnails. It's not unusual for a creator to spend hours, maybe days, crafting this perfect video, and they upload it to YouTube and get no traction on it, because it doesn't matter how amazing your video content is if no one's enticed to click on it in the first place. So title and thumbnail are arguably more important than the video. It's not, because even if they click and they quickly abandon the content because the content's lame, your video still isn't going to perform really well. So it's really is that you need a solid connection between the title, the thumbnail, creating the intrigue, and then coming in with solid content that absolutely delivers. Number 8, utilize any existing platforms that you might already have to really kind of kickstart your channel and get some momentum going. I got my kickstart with my YouTube channel by the audience I was already had on my blog. They started watching my videos, and that kind of got my very first channel, kind of started getting that going back then. But the point is, like, you're not going to get a ton of traction necessarily by promoting yourself in other places, but at least your diehard people will be able to be like, oh, they have a YouTube channel? And they'll come and watch you on YouTube, and it'll give you a few views and just kind of help you get started. Number 9, this is kind of the non-sexy part of YouTube, but you have to study your analytics. Have to study your data. Your data doesn't lie. It tells you exactly how your videos are performing, and it shows you a lot of opportunities for growth, for how to fix problems and improve and do them better with your next content. You don't get any of that information though if you're not looking at your analytics. Now, I know most of us as creators, we just love to create content. Like, we're in this not because we love data, but because we love to create things, and we love to post it, and we love the real-time feedback and the interaction and the community and everything that happens around our content. You should be looking at things like what videos are getting the most views and the most watch time, and which ones have the highest click-through rates on the end screen that people are like saying, hey, I want to watch more videos from you after watching this video. Those are all things that you should watch and pay attention to the trends in those videos so that you can reproduce those things that you're learning in your next video and do even better and better and better with every video that you publish going forward. If your analytics sounds intimidating, no problem. I got you covered. There's a little interactive card that popped up right now that you can click and go to a whole playlist we have just showing you how to get started with your analytics and find opportunities for growth in there. Number 10, if you really want to get momentum on YouTube, it's important that you make a lot of videos. Not because the algorithm cares. The algorithm honestly doesn't care how many videos you publish or how frequently you publish. All they care about is, when we show this to people, do they watch, yes or no? I do recommend you make a lot of videos when you're getting started, because that's how you're going to make a lot of mistakes and fail a lot before you have a lot of people. Like, you don't want to be making those mistakes after you have a lot of people watching too. And 2, is how you really get better at this process of creating value and doing it sustainably and consistently over time. When you hear other creators say things like, hey, when I started posting daily and my channel started blowing up, the question is it actually the quantity that helped their channel grow? Or is it because they learned a lot more lessons much more quickly, and so they have better videos sooner that actually do perform better in the long run? And I think it's the latter thing. The algorithm doesn't care, but you will learn a lot, and you'll develop your skills much more rapidly so that you can get to growth and momentum quicker than you would otherwise. Now, if you really want to get more views and subscribers on your channel, in this video right here, I break down a checklist for you to make sure you're doing all the right things that will generate more traffic, more momentum on your YouTube channel. So if that is what you want, click that video right here, and I'll see you guys right in that next one.